Okay, we got a package from Gigaparts. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, we have the new Anytone AT-D878UVII+. I haven't heard one channel describe it as a Mark II. I don't see any designation for Mark II. Just a UV2+. This has 500,000 contacts, larger internal memory, but nowhere can I find that it says what the memory capacity is. 2 meter 440, 136, 174, 400, 480, Bluetooth, DMR, tiers 1 and 2, just like the previous 878s, but with enhanced digital contact list, some enhanced memory. Let's get it out of the box and see what comes with it. Okay, let's see what happens here. We have firmware update, warning, please read. PowerWorks recommends you only use tested, publicly released computer programming. That I am going to do. We have the manual. The 2 Anytone stickers like last time. Got the radio body, GPS, Bluetooth, and it doesn't say whether or not I have a 31 100 milliamp battery like the other ones did. Interesting. Set that to the side. We have the programming cable. Must be the USB cable for the Bluetooth. And I heard that on this one they give you a second little jack, so you can charge a second Bluetooth device. So you can charge the Bluetooth push to talk, and if I have a Bluetooth headset, I can charge that. There's our belt clip, the strap for the Bluetooth device, the dual band antenna. This time it's got no color, no slants. The little wall wart charger, charging cup, Bluetooth device, battery wrist strap, the thing is packed in here well. Wow. The charging cup, and lastly, there's a couple more things down there. This one feels like a battery. Boy, that's one tough box, man. How the hell did they get it together? And a 3100 milliamp hour battery. What is in that last box? Nothing, it's just a filler board in there. So we don't need the charging cup, I don't need the wrist strap. Let's pause the camera, I'll get everything together. I'll do a little programming and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got them programmed. I'm going to use the TYT-UV88 just to send a quick signal. AA1PR testing audio.
A1PR testing audio.
I got different tones on each one. One is milder, that one's milder, and the newer one a little bit higher. I think with my old deaf tired ears, I'm a little bit tone deaf. So anyways, we got it programmed. You can see the difference in the displays. Here is the original 878UV Bluetooth, and here's the UV2+. Has a line at the bottom of the top of the screen, like my old 868 had. I never figured out how to remove that. Something with 878 software allows it to be changed? I don't know. Something different. And I just updated this firmware 1.24, so if you're not aware of it, it's out. This is running 2.02N. I'm not sure what the N stands for. Okay, so I shut the light off on the camera, so hopefully we can see the menu a little bit better. That black is a little bit different. So it's very similar to the original 878. But then when you go in settings of radio, it's got the different settings which weren't there before. Before there was like, oh, I can't remember, it's 37, 45 different functions. Now they're all separated in different groups. Let's go to the other function because there are some new... Was that the folder where it was different? There's one folder where I've seen things that I could control. The offset for the repeaters. Yes, here it is. Repeater offsets and stuff. Positive, negative, that you couldn't do before. The Vfo Scan. This is all new stuff that isn't in the older 878s and 868s. Other than that, same great sound, same great features. I haven't set up Bluetooth on this one yet. APRS, I believe I got it turned on, but I don't think the GPS is turned on. Looks like I got the GPS symbol there, but it's not turned on, so... Anyways, we'll conclude the video here, and we'll do more videos in depth. Show you the different features of it, and really what I want to do is take the two radios, test them in analog versus digital APRS. This one can only transmit. This one can transmit and receive analog. This one can transmit and receive digital. This one can transmit and receive digital. So, anyways, we'll do some videos like that, different functions of it. Yes, one I got the stock rubber ducky, the other one the Comet SMA24J on there. Basically same radios. 3100 milliamp batteries. Same programming cable. Same great audio. Same great transmit audio. You really can't go wrong with either. The UV2 Plus or an older 878 with or without Bluetooth, depending on whether you need it. I didn't think I needed it, but I bought it just because if I ever go to sell this thing, it may get a few more dollars for it. So anyways, there you go. Other than the display, that line on the display, they're pretty much the damn same. Hey, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Here's our Amazon affiliate link for any and all purchases on Amazon. And if you're going to buy one of these, check out Bridgecomm. Bridgecomm has them on a reasonably good deal. I think this one's $249. This is $299. I believe they offer free shipping. So use our Bridgecomm affiliate link to help out the channel. 7-3, guys.